extra. Dirty side gets down deeper. Oh yeah, baby.
So the dirty side gets deeper. We ran into a problem with hood clearance. Our wastegate on this car is just a little bit too tall, and I found a way to fix it with no money spent and just using some scraps I had laying around. As you can see here, it stands up kind of tall, and it would clear the hood, but it might hit under acceleration, engine moving, things like that. So I came up with a solution using this 2-inch piece of square tubing, 1/4-inch wall, cutting the pieces off of it, drilling holes for the wastegate, and then weld these pieces on for the sides, creates a wastegate elbow. So let's look over here, I'll show you how it works, and then we'll get it all welded up and bolted on. So with this unfinished part, you can kind of see how it's going to work, where the exhaust will come through this hole, make the 90-degree turn, come over here to the wastegate. Wastegate will sit there, and with the sides welded up, it's the same thing as a wastegate elbow. So here's the wastegate elbow, fully welded up, bolted on. You can see how it angles the wastegate down towards the exhaust. The plus side of that is I can run a pipe straight down from the wastegate to the exhaust, route it back inside, keep all that exhaust from getting sucked back in by the turbo. I think it's pretty obvious that we aren't building a show car here, and this is not something you'd want to do if you were. This is just an easy, cheap way to fix a problem that could completely derail this project. It's real easy for something that's kind of simple to throw you off. You push it off to the side, you never get it done. With just some scraps laying around the house, you solved a major problem here. So that's it for this Dirty Side Gets Deeper. Hopefully you'll come check us out for all the rest.